Yo, what is going on, everybody? This video, I wanted this to be somewhat of a motivational video, but also I kind of want to just explain to you guys that day trading is dangerous. There's a lot of dangers that come with day trading. There's obviously psychological dangers, emotional dangers, even sometimes physical dangers that come with day trading. And I wanted to make this video kind of like explaining what you can expect, either A, if you're getting into day trading, B, just becoming profitable, or C, you have no idea what day trading is. To start this off, I'm kind of gonna give like a little background on my experience so far with day trading, and how it's affected me in different situations. So obviously we all know day trading, you can make a lot of money from it, right? You can make a lot of money from day trading. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Obviously, the pros outweigh the cons. You never want to have the cons outweigh the pros with situations like this. But I'm going to go over a couple scenarios on how day trading completely affected my life in the past. And I'm going to kind of explain how you guys won't let it happen to you. So obviously, being unprofitable for like 4 months completely affected me. I mean, I'm sure most of you guys have experienced this, but if you blow an account, lose a trade, like your day is ruined, like ruined. And I'm talking about like you just want to lay in bed, go to sleep, forget about the day, and try and make the day go by as fast as possible until the market opens tomorrow. And I have experienced that for sure. I have experienced days where I have been depressed because I lost my trade and I blew an account. I mean, you can go on my past videos and kind of see, like, everything's on there for you guys to see. But you have to understand that day trading is not your life, right? When it comes to day trading, obviously, I mean, you're only on the charts for what, 15 minutes to like an hour max per day for the most part. So like you can't let your day revolve around day trading. Day trading has to be treated like a job. You go there, you work, and then you're done and you move on with your day and you do activities that keep you busy. You don't let it consume your day. If you let it consume your day, if you're on the charts all day, it's not going to be good mentally for you. Especially if you're studying all day expecting profitability and you don't become profitable as quick as you thought. That's going to affect you mentally, physically, emotionally. It's going to completely change your brain. Right, and that's one of the dangers that comes with day trading, which is something that I struggled with when I was unprofitable. I was blowing accounts. I didn't know what to do. I felt stuck. I would let it ruin days. I would have panic attacks because I was like, I'm not gonna make it. Like, I would just let it completely ruin me, bro. Like, to a point where I just like was like lost, I guess, in life. Like, I didn't really know what I was doing. Like, obviously, like, yes, I'm a college basketball player, but day trading, like, I'm telling you guys, like, you think I'm joking, but once you go through like that phase, like, you will understand what I'm saying. Like, day trading can seriously like change your life in good and bad ways. But it's a dangerous thing. And I guess like that's like the part that I wanted to talk about, like the mental part being like unprofitable. Is you just have to make sure you're very careful with how much you let day trading affect you. And now that brings me into kind of like the next part where I wanted to talk about is be careful when you get your first payout, right? A lot of people get their first payout and then immediately think that they're profitable. And if you think that, you are sadly mistaken. Like I know there are people in my mentorship who have gotten 10K months before and are lost and have no idea what they're doing anymore. Like, there's levels to trading. One payout does not mean anything, bro. You could get a 10K payout and then get lucky from that one payout because you had maybe one good day, one insane trade, and then just get a max payout on it and think you're profitable. And then you go and do the same thing and gamble accounts away and then end up losing all that money and giving it all right back to the market. And understanding you can never be content in day trading. You can never be content with anything in day trading. Like I said, it's dangerous to be content once you get content and get comfortable, that's when you're going to get cooked. I mean, it happened to me in November. I mean, I was getting max payouts consistently, and then I was above myself, and then I blew accounts for probably like a month straight. I was in eval jail for literally a month, bro. Like a month in eval jail, not getting any payouts. Thankfully, I had enough money, obviously, still to afford that, but I was stuck in eval jail, and I got ahead of myself, and guess what? I learned my lesson. You guys saw me blow a 17K payout I had ready a week ago. I got too ahead of myself. Obviously you saw I bounced back and made 40K in a day, but like it ruins you. Like imagine losing a 17K payout and how you would react, right? Like, and obviously like you got to scale it to like the level people are at. So like maybe like a 17K payout to me is like a 3K payout to you. I don't know how it works, but you have to understand you can never get ahead of yourself. Like with day trading, like I promise you it'll ruin you. Like this is, I don't want to say this, but it's almost like day trading is like very sinful, if that makes sense. There's a lot of greed involved, right? Greed is something everyone struggles with. Matter of fact, if you struggle with greed, leave a like on this video, subscribe if you struggle with greed. I know most of you do, that's why I said it. No, but seriously, like greed is a really, really big thing in day trading, and greed ruins people. Greed is how you blow accounts. Because why are you blowing accounts? You're over leveraging, you're taking trades you normally wouldn't trade, trying to get a payout. You're greedy, you want the money, and that's where the sin part of trading comes out. And if you're not careful enough, it'll lead you in the wrong direction in life, right? Like who would want to be a sinful person living life and just being greedy? You don't want to be greedy. You can't let trading affect you like that. And that's why, like I was saying, you can never be content with anything revolving around trading. Like it's the one thing that you have to be consistent and never get ahead of yourself, because the one time you get ahead of yourself is you're cooked. It's done. Like getting ahead of yourself one time blows a month or 2 months of progress down the drain like that instantly. And you guys think I'm joking. Wait till it happens to you. Like I promise you, wait till it happens to you and you'll get the reality check. You'll be like, maybe that guy that I watched on YouTube actually knew what he was talking about. Because I promise, guys, I'm not lying. It's happened to everybody, including myself, some worse than others. But yes, day trading is dangerous. You have to understand what you're getting yourself into, because a lot of people get addicted to the charts. And I know most of you watching this video probably are addicted to the charts. Right? Like you watch the charts throughout the day, you're at school, you hop on the charts, Asia session opens up, you hop on the charts, like give yourself a break, right? The longer you look at the charts doesn't mean the more profitable you're going to become. The more longer you backtest doesn't mean the more profitable you're going to become. Like none of these add up. Obviously, yes, backtesting, studying helps, but staring at the charts 24/7 is going to ruin you, right? And I understand, like, go get it, bro. Like, I want you guys to be successful, but you're not going to be successful staring at the charts 24/7. All it is going to do, it is going to break you. I promise. You cannot, because it's addicting. Day trading is addicting. I will not lie. It's like any other form of making money. Like the fact of putting the thought in your head where you're able to make thousands of dollars in seconds, minutes, is just insane to people. As soon as they hear that, bro, addiction. They try it out. They pass an account because of some lucky trade. And they get on an eval and they blow an account and they're like, oh, it's that easy to get on an express and make money. That's when the cycle starts. Then they start losing money, maybe one payout, more money being lost, more like you guys know how it works, right? So the thing with day trading is I never had a backup plan with this. You can ask any one of my friends, anyone I'm close to. I did not have a backup plan with day trading. I didn't. It was day trading or nothing. Once I knew the pros and the outcomes that come with day trading, I had no backup plan. I knew this is what I was going to do 100%. I was like, there is no way, besides basketball, playing pro basketball, there is no way I am doing anything else but day trading. The sky's the limit. Actually, the sky isn't even the limit. It's lit. Like day trading is limitless, bro. Like, oh, it's insane to me how like, it's so easy to not to trade, but to make money. And if you're able to master the art of trading, I mean, imagine what you can do with that. Whether it's the education part of it, whether it's the money-making part of it, you get to choose what you want to do with it. Whether you want to, start a mentorship like I did, spread the wealth of education. Like, you don't understand. Like, day trading is like a gem. It's like you're mining in Minecraft. Like, you're digging a cave, digging down deep. You're trading, you're blowing accounts. Maybe a creeper like blows you up. Maybe you get shot by a skeleton, but you keep mining. What is this comparison? Whatever. Then you finally hit diamonds. And once you hit diamonds, you're like, oh, I found where diamonds are. I know I can come back here and get diamonds. Same thing with trading, I think. You hit TP, you get a payout. How did I get a payout? I did this, and this. All right, let's try it again. Maybe it worked. Let's do it again. Let's maybe make rules. Maybe let's follow a structured process. Right? I can't believe I just compared day trading to Minecraft. That's actually insane. But seriously, guys, if you're watching this video and I'm going to look at you right here, you're not going to give up on day trading. I am not going to allow that. I almost gave up many times. I am not going to let you give up on day trading. Once you start, there's no stopping. I promise you, if you need my help, please let me know. I have over 90 students, and I've helped 20 of them get consistent payouts. Do not quit. Bro, as soon as you know the opportunities that come with this, bro, it's insane. This is like a generational wealth type of thing. Once you get the education, it's limitless, bro. You can literally do whatever. But getting into it is dangerous. And that's why the title of this video literally says, day trading is dangerous. The danger of whatever I titled it. But there's a lot of dangers that come with day trading. But being able to manage the dangers is how you get to that next level. It's how you make that big jump, that big leap to get to where you want to go. I just really wanted to make this video to explain to you guys what you're getting yourself into. For those of you that are beginners, obviously, if you already know what it is, you know what it is. But I highly recommend you understanding what are my risks getting into this. Make sure you're not getting addicted. Do everything you can in your power to not get addicted to the charts, please. And I can help you with that. My DMs are always open on any social media. I respond to everybody. I don't ego people. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I try to make this like a very motivational written video. Just talking to like you guys face to face and having like a real conversation, because this is real. The danger of day trading exists, and it's a real thing. But yeah, I hope this video does good, because I think the word needs to be spread about this. And this is just the negative side of day trading. Obviously, the positives completely outweigh it 100x, I promise. But they don't outweigh it until you get there. Again, everything is going to be linked in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow.